Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete posts on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Here you can see posts you shared in this section. Choose a post you want to delete and tap on it. Then tap on three dots at top right and tap on Delete button. Thus, the process of deleting posts on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.